बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये सूरह हज है और इसकी तिलावत पहले रुकू से शुरू करता हूँ। ये आज के मौके पर नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने खुतबा दिया लोगों को मुखातिब करके। तो बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। या अय्युहन्नासु इत्तक़ू रब्बकुम, ऐ लोगो डरो अल्लाह से। इन्ना ज़ल्ज़लतस्साअति शैउन अज़ीम। In the name of Allah, the beneficent and merciful. O mankind, fear your Lord. Lo, the earthquake of the hour of the doom is a tremendous thing. O mankind, Ya ayyuhan nasu ittaqu rabbakum inna zalzalata as-saati shay'un azim. O mankind, fear your Lord. Lo, the earthquake of the hour of the doom is a tremendous thing. يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد. On the day when ye behold it, every nursing mother will forget her nursing, and every pregnant will be delivered of her burden. And thou, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will see mankind as drunken. Yet they will not be drunken, but the doom of Allah will be strong upon them. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يُجَادِلُ فِي اللَّهِ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ وَيَتَّبِعُ كُلَّ شَيْطَانٍ مَرِيدٍ. Among mankind is the who disputeth concerning Allah without knowledge, and followeth each froward devil. كُتِبَ عَلَيْهِ أَنَّهُ مَنْ تَوَلَّاهُ فَإِنَّهُ يَضِلُّهُ وَيَهْدِيهِ إِلَىٰ عَذَابِ السَّعِيرِ. For him it is decreed that whoso taketh him for friend, he verily will mislead him, and will guide him to the punishment of the flame. Ya ayyuhan nasu in kuntum fi raybin min al-ba'si fa inna khalaqnakum min turabin summa min nutfatin summa min alaqatin summa min mudghatin mukhallaqatin wa ghayri mukhallaqatin linabayyana lakum. ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرض الأمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض حامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج. O mankind, if you are in doubt concerning the resurrection, lo, we have created. O mankind, if you are in the doubt concerning the resurrection, then lo, we have created you from the dust, then from a drop of seed, then from a clot, then from a little lump of flesh, shapely and shapeless, that we may make it clear for you, and we cause what will to remain in the worms for an appointed time, and afterwards we bring you forth as infants, then give you growth, then you attain your full strength, and among you there is who dieth young, and among you there is who is brought back to the most abject time of the life, so that after knowledge he knoweth not. And thou, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, seest the earth barren, But when we send down water from thereon, it doth thrill and swell and put forth every lovely and kind of growth. ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ الْحَقُّ وَأَنَّهُ يُحْيِي الْمَوْتَى وَأَنَّهُ عَلَىٰ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. That is because Allah, He is the truth, He quickeneth the death, and lo, He is able to do all things. وَأَنَّ السَّاعَةَ آتِيَةٌ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهَا أَنَّ اللَّهَ يَبْعَثُ مَنْ فِي الْقُبُورِ. And because the hour will come, there is no doubt thereof, and because Allah will raise those who are in the graves. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يُجَادِلُ فِي اللَّهِ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ وَلَا هُدًى وَلَا كِتَابٍ مُنِيرٍ. And among mankind is he who disputeth concerning Allah without knowledge or guidance or the scripture giving light. ثاني عطفه ليضل عن سبيل الله له في الدنيا خزي ونذيقه يوم القيامة عذاب الحريق. Turning away in pride to beguile men from the way of Allah, for him in this world is ignominy, and on the day of resurrection we make him taste the doom of the burning. ذَلِكَ بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ يَدَاكَ وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ لَيْسَ بِظَلَّامٍ لِلْعَبِيدِ. And unto him it will be said, this is for that which thy two hands have sent before, and because Allah is no oppressor of his slaves. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَعْبُدُ اللَّهَ عَلَىٰ حَرْفٍ فَإِنْ أَصَابَهُ خَيْرٌ اطْمَأَنَّ بِهِ وَإِنْ أَصَابَتْهُ فِتْنَةٌ انقلب على وجهه خسر الدنيا والآخرة ذَلِكَ هُوَ الْخُسْرَانُ الْمُبِينُ. And among mankind is he who worshipeth Allah upon a narrow marge, so that if good befalleth him, he is content therewith. But if the trial befalleth him, he faileth away utterly. He loses both the world and the hereafter. That is the sheer loss. يَدْعُو مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مَا لَا يَضُرُّهُ وَلَا يَنْفَعُهُ ذَلِكَ هُوَ الضَّلَالُ الْبَعِيدُ. He calleth beside Allah unto that which hurteth him not, nor benefiteth him. That is the far error. يَدْعُو لَمَنْ ضَرَّهُ أَقْرَبُ مِنْ نَفْعِهِ لَبِئْسَ الْمَوْلَىٰ وَلَبِئْسَ الْعَشِيرُ. He calleth unto him whoso harmeth nearer than his benefit, verily an evil patron and verily an evil friend. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُدْخِلُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَفْعَلُ مَا يُرِيدُ. Lo, Allah causeth those who believe not and do good works, who believe and do good works, to enter the garden underneath which rivers flow. Lo, Allah doth what He intendeth. Man kana yazunnu allan yansurahu Allahu fid dunya wal akhirati falyamdud bisababin ila as-samaa summa yakta falyanzur hal yuzibanna kaidahu ma yaghiz. Whosoever is wont to think that Allah will not give him Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam victory in the world and hereinafter, and is enraged at the thought of his victory, let him stretch a rope upon the roof of his dwelling and let him hang himself. Then let him see whether his strategy dispelleth that whereat he rageth. كذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات. Thus we reveal كذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات وأن الله يهدي من يريد. Thus we reveal it as plain revelations, and verily Allah guideth whom He will. إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين والنصارى والمجوس والذين أشركوا إن الله يفصل بينهم يوم القيامة إن الله على كل شيء قدير. Those who believe this revelation, and those who are Jews and Sabians and the Christians and the Megans and the idolater, lo, Allah will decide between them on the day of resurrection. Lo, Allah is witness over all things. Alam tara anna Allah yasjudu lahu man fis samawati wa man fil ard wa ash-shamsu wal qamaru wan najmu wal jibalu wash shajaru wad dawab wa kaseerun minan nas wa kaseerun haqqa alayhi al-azab wa man yuhinillahu ma lahu min mukrim inna Allah yaf'alu ma yasha. Hast thou not seen that unto Allah payeth adoration, whosoever is in the heavens and whosoever in the earth, and the sun and the moon and the stars and the hills and the trees and the beasts and the many of the mankind, why there are many unto whom the doom is justly due. He whom Allah scorneth, there is none to give him honor. He whom Allah scorneth, there is none to give him honor. Lo, Allah doth what He will. هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رئيسهم الحميم يسأل هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رؤوسهم الحميم. These twain, the believers and disbelievers, are two opponents who contend concerning their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, garments of fire will be cut out for them, boiling fluid will be poured down on their heads. يُسْهَرُ بِهِ مَا فِي بُطُونِهِمْ وَالْجُلُودِ, and whereby that which is in their bellies and their skin too will be melted. وَلَهُمْ مَقَامِعٌ مِّنْ حَدِيدٍ, and for them are hooked rods of iron. كُلَّمَا أَرَادُوا أَنْ يَخْرُجُوا مِنْ غَمٍّ وَيَخْرُجُوا مِنْهَا مِنْ غَمٍّ أُعِيدُوا فِيهَا وَذُوقُوا عَذَابَ الْحَرِيقِ. Whenever in their anguish they would go forth from thence, they are driven back therein, and it is said unto them, taste the doom of burning. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُدْخِلُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ يُحَلَّوْنَ فِيهَا مِنْ أَسَاوِرَ مِنْ ذَهَبٍ وَيَلْبَسُونَ وَلِبَاسُهُمْ فِيهَا حُورٌ. And lo, Allah will cause those who believe and do good works to enter gardens underneath which rivers flow, wherein there will be allowed armlets of gold and pearls, and their raiments there will be silk. Sadaqallahu al-Azim wa sadaqa Rasulahu an-Nabiyul Kareem wa nahnu ala dhalika min ash-shahidin. Man yahdihillahu fahuwal muhtadi wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Sadaqallahu al-Azim wa sadaqa Rasulahu an-Nabiyul Kareem.